Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for web enthusiasts, developers, or anyone curious about how websites are built. In this video, I'll show you how to view the source code of any web page directly on your Android device in 2025. Why bother? Well, understanding source code lets you peek under the hood of websites, spot errors, learn HTML and CSS, or even debug issues on the go. It's easier than ever with the latest Android updates and browser features. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on an Android device running the latest OS. Think Android 16 or higher for 2025. Open your favorite browser. I'll use Chrome since it's the most popular and has built-in tools. Tap on the address bar, type in the URL of the web page you want to inspect, like google.com, and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. That's your gateway to advanced features. Tap it, then scroll down and select More Tools or Developer Options. In 2025, browsers have streamlined this, so you might see a direct View Page Source option. If not, go to Settings within the menu and enable Developer Mode if it's your first time. This unlocks the full toolkit. Now, here's the fun part. After enabling it, go back to the page and long press on any element, like an image or text, then choose Inspect from the pop-up. Boom! A new tab or overlay will appear showing the HTML source code. You can scroll through it, search for specific tags, or even edit elements in real time for testing. Pro tip: use the search function to find keywords quickly. It's a game changer for spotting scripts or styles. If you're using a different browser like Firefox or Edge on Android, the steps are similar. Just head to their settings and look for developer tools. Remember, always be ethical. Don't misuse this on private sites. And if you're new to coding, this is a great way to start learning. There you have it, folks. You've now got the skills to view web page source code on your Android in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.